away, but then I put it back again. I'm really good at starting, but I don't know when it has to end. You're leaving in reality, I'm staying in pretend. Here I am, holding on. Here I am.
Hi everyone, so we are in LA and we have a couple of cool things to show you today. We have Connor with me. Connor's one of my best friends.
What's going on YouTube?
So we have the drone all ready. We have my drone battery charging my phone. It's pretty cool. Drone's in there, and we're gonna show you guys the car that we have. It's pretty cool. It's a BMW convertible. It's just a 428i, nothing too fast, but it's pretty cool. It's got like the sport package and stuff. I'll show you around. Check this out. So we have like a little living room here. Don't go back to your room. This is Connor's room. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. The door to the outside of the apartment. A little kitchen over here with a refrigerator, including 2 6-packs of beer. And then my room. What's up, dudes? My white shoes. And here's my bathroom. And then, of course, my much larger bed than Connor's.
Not salty at all.
So I ended up actually buying some new socks and going to the Nike store and buying these fresh shoes. Check these out. Look at that. Before we leave, I do kind of want to show you guys our view. It's not really a nice view or anything, but I feel like people will ask. Check this out. Woo! It is a bright one today, dude.
Hey, what do you guys think? If we get 1,000 likes on this video, George drops this. Oh, never mind. Take that back.
Drops what?
Drops the drone off.
Fuck no.
Right here. 1,000 likes, you'll launch it from here?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Alright. Alright. You guys, check out this key though. Isn't that awesome? But in the meantime, I need to lock my apartment. Check this out. This car is so dope. I know it's not an M4. I mean, we wanted an M4, but it was like $400 a day. What can you do, right? Check this out. This thing is awesome. We already have the top down just because we didn't feel like putting it back up, but we'll get that on film. But check this out. This car is so much fun to drive. And then when you hold the open key, a lot of people don't know this, even the owners. If you hold the open key, these windows automatically go down. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that dope, bro?
Yeah, I like the trunk. It's really cool.
Ooh,
that's nice.
Let's play some tunes and get this day started.
Heart been so cold that I don't feel it all. Scarred up inside, so I built all these walls. My head rolling back, but I'm faking the rush.
Alright, I'm about to floor it in this tunnel. We're in the observatory, so anyway, let's see. Alright guys, check this out. Connor's over there getting some parking. We're gonna shoot up the drone right now. Enjoy that footage, it's gonna be pretty cool. The guys just kind of screamed at us and said, hey, you gotta take that down or else you can get confiscated. And so I was like, oh, fuck that. And I put it back in the car. So now we're gonna actually take a look at the inside. You ready for this, bro?
I'm hyped, let's go.
Dude, let's fucking do it, dude. Let's send it, bro, send it.
Full send.
There's the actual observatory. And then over here you can overlook the Hollywood sign.
Hey look, is that a drone?
Dude, a drone. Oh, don't get it confiscated, bro. I might get confiscated. Are we gonna send it, Swamp Donk?
Yeah.
Let's go over there, bro.
We're not sending it right now?
You got a dope backdrop behind you right there. That's a dope background you got.
Maybe a new Instagram picture, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah. Uh-huh. Damn, we are high up. It's like clear over here. All this haze over here around the city. Kind of weird looking. What do you think, Connor? Pretty weird looking?
I don't know, I'm in love.
With the cocoa?
Yeah. I'm in love with the cocoa.
Okay.
Yeah, let's hit the others.
Check out this. There is a restaurant over here. Isn't that cool? All right, that was the end of the observatory view. It was pretty cool. I think I want to get on the road more and drive and stuff. So, hey boy, let's do it, Connor.
Let's do it.
Fuck out of here and go to somewhere else, like maybe the beach, something.
Yeah,
I don't know. Beach, bitch.
No, I said beach.
Stop being such a beach, bro. What the
Dude,
heck,
no,
man?
life's a beach.
You're
Play in the sand.
you're Santa Monica Pier right now, and it's quite beautiful after about 45 minutes of traffic. Hear this, it takes 45 minutes to drive about, I would say, 10 miles, if that, around here. Highly populated areas, guys.
Pretty dope. We gotta watch the Cavs game. Go Cavs.
Go what?
Go Cavs.
We got $10 and no fucks to give. We got no time for the bullshit. We got something for the misfits. We got $10 and no fucks to give.